Hi guys, I hope everybody's doing good. So today I'm going to be making a water-based candle. So the things you're going to need are any kind of container that you would like. I'm using a cup and you fill it up with water. You can use, like I said, anything you can find at home, preferably something made out of glass. And I found some beads also that you can use just for decoration purposes. And then also you're going to need a little bit of oil, cooking oil, just a little bit, and cut out a little whatever you're gonna use, some kind of circle. I use this from an old plastic cover for a candle, and then you just cut like a little hole in the middle to put the wick in. You can't really see it, but there's a wick in here. I got it from a birthday candle, so you can just crush up the candle and then just take out the little string part from the middle. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're going to dump in some of the beads. Actually, you know what? Let me grab it with my hand. So you can put as many or as little as you like. And this is a little bit messy, so just be careful. Just trying not to. So you see just a couple. And then I'm gonna put these blue ones in. Sorry. I can't really see. There you go. So as you can see, like that. And then you're gonna pour the oil. That's the next step after you're done dumping your pebbles or whatever you want to use. You're gonna put the oil in there, like that. And then you're going to take the wick. Be careful with this because, like I said, it's a little bit messy. The wick. I thought that I took it off from from a birthday candle, so you could dab a little bit of the excess oil. This was sitting in oil, that's why you couldn't really see. But I got the wick and then the little plastic part that I told you from earlier. So you're gonna put the wick inside with a little hole like so, and then you're just gonna put it on top of the container, and then it should sit right there like that. And then for this part, I mean, I'm not going to show the lighting of the fire, but just please, you can get an adult to help you. That'd be great, just because I don't want you to get burnt or anything. Just be super duper careful. But they should last about a good maybe 2 minutes or more, depending on what kind of. I use cooking oil for mine, but if you have a different kind of oil, then it might last longer. But it's a lot of fun to do if you're bored at home or something. But it's really cool because when you light it up, it ends up looking like, as you can see the layer of the oil right there. It should last a good maybe 2 minutes, like I said, maybe longer. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys!